Let's get Laravel installed on our machine. So visit the Laravel documentation, and under the Getting Started Installation tab, you'll see a reference to this Laravel Installer. This is pretty neat. It allows you to run Laravel new, some project you're working on, and that will instantly download and install all of the dependencies you need. So notice in this case, everything you see here, those are dependencies that are being pulled in through Composer. That's the beauty of Composer. All right, so let's get this set up. You'll see that we need to pull in this installer through Composer. And luckily, we pulled that in the last episode. So I will paste that in. And notice we're not doing a Composer require, we're doing a Composer global require. This means I want it available globally on my machine. And notice it's going to install it to this directory. Next, if I switch back, you will see a note here. We need to ensure that this Composer bin directory is available globally. And to do that, you need to update your path. From the command prompt, you can echo your path like this. Now, it looks confusing, but really, it's file paths separated by a colon. So there's one, there's another one, and there's another one. So it sounds like we need to add this bin directory to that path. Now, as it turns out, you can update a number of files. You could update your bash profile. You could update bash RC. If you use Z shell and know what that is, you could update this file. Or you could update your paths file. And I think we'll take that approach. So I will use admin privileges to open this file in Vim, or use anything you want, but I'll go through it with you. So it sounds like we need to add this directory to our path. But now a quick note, I don't think we can use the home variable within that file. So we will change this to the path to your home directory. You can echo home to see what that is. There we go. All right, I'll substitute it here. So if I return to Vim, I'll go through it with you. I'll hit J a few times, and then O to create a new line, Command V to paste, Escape to exit insert mode, and then :W key to save and quit. And we're all set to go now. So if I open a new terminal tab and I echo our path, you should see that new Composer directory that we added right here. So what this means is every executable in the bin directory that is installed globally through Composer will be available anywhere on your machine. And I'll prove it to you. Let's list that directory. And among other things, you'll see Laravel. All right, I think we're all set to go. So I can now say Laravel new, give your project a name, and take a look at that. All right, let's cd in there, cd fresh project. And then I'm going to run the serve command, php artisan serve. So if we load this URL, or on iTerm, I can command click it. There you go. We're up and running.